Guys, today is a very important day because it's Fub's birthday!
I'm a quarter of 100.
He's 25 years young.
Young.
How
yes.
wild is that? But today we have a full day planned.
Fun day.
Fun day, date day. So, long story short, I had a whole series of really fun things happening in Branson this week, but we had to move it to the next week, so that will also be a vlog of just some crazy stuff extended for his birthday weekend. So this is kind of like a mini taste of how awesome his birthday month is.
Guys, let me suggest getting an amazing wife before you turn 25.
Why?
Because when you have a wife and you turn 25, you are just spoiled.
You were very spoiled this year already.
Yes. She let me buy, I wouldn't say my dream gun, but she let me buy a gun yesterday, and it wasn't cheap.
Yeah. And he also got a really nice grill.
Got a really nice grill, got a gun. She wants to buy me a chain necklace, so it's like I'm not going to stop her.
I was just wondering if you want a chain. Like, did you want one? Because you keep saying... Okay, whatever. We'll see what happens. But first, we're going to start at this restaurant called Gramophone in St. Louis, and we've heard so many cool things about it, and we're basically just going to have a cool St. Louis City day, hopefully. So let's go ahead and go to Gramophone.
Guys, the St. Louis special is hot riblets, and they top this mac and cheese with hot
I didn't know that.
Look how delicious
I had to
that
try
is.
it. Oh gosh, it's going to be really spicy. You should try it too.
One of our sandwiches.
Oh my god.
Is that good?
Wow, you need to try that.
Alright.
You'll love that. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Isn't that so good?
Wow.
Wow.
Those chips
I don't
just make a
even,
difference.
I like never even order mac and cheese ever, but I was just like, I feel like this place is gonna have it.
Guys, no matter where you're at, order some St. Louis hot riblets. You won't regret it. And then here's the Alcatraz.
I'm thinking it's gonna be like a Frisco melt. Oh, yes.
Dang.
Wow.
That was fire.
Okay, so we just went to Vincent Van Donut, and apparently it's the best donuts in St. Louis, but it's kind of far from us, so I've never tried it, so we're gonna do a taste test. But first I want to show you my iced latte they made.
Looks good.
Look how beautiful that is. Coffee test. I haven't had coffee yet today. I've been waiting to get it, so here we go. Very good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Here's my donut. I got a cheesecake cookie crumble.
Cheesecake cookie crumble.
Not the biggest fan of like desserts. I have to be in a perfect mood for them. And I am so stuffed from our lunch.
And they had so many awesome like flavored ones, but I just really wanted to try out the typical chocolate glaze, so.
Oh man, this is
Let's take
crazy.
a little bite. It's very light, fluffy. You can tell it was made today.
It's good.
Let me try yours. You try mine. It's definitely really good.
Yeah, it is. But like, I have to be in the mood for desserts. So it's like, if I was in the mood for that, I would crave it for sure.
Would you say it was the best donut you've ever had?
No. I just like the good old classic Krispy Kreme glazed hot donut.
This one's really good.
I'm a really simple guy. Alright, when it comes to ice cream, do not put anything on my ice cream. I don't want any crumbles. I don't want any brownies. I just
That's
want
so weird. Who does that?
vanilla ice cream. I just don't like things getting in my way. So, like that donut, I would have probably picked this one.
See, that one's
over that
really
one.
good. That one's really good. This one's really good too.
It is good.
But I wouldn't go to say this is my favorite donut. So.
Yeah.
Sorry, America.
And I'm not a chocolate or a sugar overload type of guy. And that cinnamon one was an overload. I don't need it.
Like, I definitely really like it. I'd probably rate it like an 8.
So if you're in the St. Louis area, definitely go to
Gramophone.
Gramophone. Those sandwiches are fire. And then, I mean, right next door is this donut spot. They had a lot of other options. It's good.
And it was so cute.
Yeah. And then if you're in the mood for a tattoo, there's a tattoo spot right across the street.
Okay, everyone. So now we're at a different part of town. This is called Soulard, right? Going somewhere?
The Loop.
Oh, the Loop, just kidding. And there's a bunch of little shops here, so we're gonna go thrifting, and hopefully we find some good things.
Yeah, look how cool, it's just vibey over here.
So, there's a lot of history with Blueberry Hill. I don't know exactly what it is, but apparently a lot of famous people, when they come here, they come to this restaurant because it's kind of like a music-y restaurant or whatever, so.
They talk about fashion. They say this is fire resistant. I'm basically a firefighter right now. Check these out. Got some patches right there too. Dang. Let's go. Basically giving me a wedgie back there too. This thing's like all up on me, dude. I ain't getting this, but if I had to go fight a fire, I would definitely choose these. Well, guys, found some nice Air Force Ones there. Check those out. Those only 30.
They literally look brand new.
Yeah, they do.
Barely used.
And it was for 30 bucks, and they're about like 90 bucks online. So I was like, you know what? Why not? Everyone's talking about some good old Air Force Ones.
Yeah, there's not even a smudge on them.
It's a pretty good deal.
But it's good to like keep up with the trend when like you're not like in love with it, but you like want to be a part of it. So that's perfect.
Yeah.
Gotta show you mine because mine's probably way cooler than his. I found this vintage T-shirt, and it says, "God has been so good, smiley face to me." It's really the smiley face that really got me. But the thing is, it doesn't stop there. On the back, it says, "When I look around and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days. Thank you, Lord, I won't complain."
Let's go.
Like, that's the freaking gospel. No, it's not. But like, that is like the coolest shirt ever.
She said, sorry if you lose. I said, sorry if you lose. Not too shabby. Dang, that was good. Look at the necklace she got me. Beautiful.
Loser.
Got one left.
Just as beautiful. Guys, look how funny this bowling thing is. Oh, let's see. Is he gonna get a point? Loser, loser, loser. Okay, look. I'm winning, so they put me smiling. He's losing, so they put his face. Okay, guys, so where you live in St. Louis, and I feel like there's not that many cool houses in this world, but this one just went live 14 days ago or something in St. Louis, and this is my goal, okay? Just imagine we just bought this house, and we're inviting people over for the first time, and I'm like, yeah, you guys can just park in the circle, and then you walk in to this.
Yes.
I feel like they're gonna be like, this isn't that big of a deal, but like, it really, oh my god, look at that chandelier.
Guys,
Oh my gosh.
we just want to let you know that
This is incredible.
this is all a joke. She got me this for my birthday.
I'm dying. I want this house.
It's so nice. Though.
Oh my gosh. Look at, okay, the double island though. Here's this little bar where people can just sit and hang out. And that's the actual cooking island. So it's a double, oh, that's when you're rich. You got 2 islands, enough space for 2 islands. And like this whole moment, and then like, I think that's a wine cellar right there.
Guys, we aren't looking to move, but like we are looking to move. You know
I
what
look
I'm
at
saying?
houses all day. I'm not trying to move. I love our house, but like,
We
you know.
always find nice houses, and we're like, should we sell this? We're getting
So
close.
the only thing I would say about this is like my goal is like that this would come all the way out here, and like I love when people have the bathtub in the shower, and I was like, that's kind of annoying because this is the master bath. But the thing is, they do that. This is the office. Okay, staircase. What? But they do that bathroom thing, but for like the guest bath. So I don't know.
Not gonna lie, I like it outside the shower, but that's just me.
Really? I just like the idea of like not being cold when you go from like shower to, I don't know, but like this is great for entertaining, and then little gym over here.
Yeah, look at that gym. And then that nice little kitchenette area. But
Yeah,
that's like not
just
even
to like
kitchenette.
watch sports or
It's a
whatever.
whole kitchen.
And then I love that tile. Bathroom. Where was the movie
the
room?
garage.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Where was their movie room?
Is it not at the very bottom? I feel like it's like.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be nice. Nice. We love movies. And then the pool is nice.
So why is it like digital though? Did they not like build the pool yet?
Is it digital? Just look like.
Or does it just look grainy? Looks kind of digital to me.
It does kind of look digital. That's weird.
But beautiful.
That is weird.
If I don't buy this house, I'm making my boss buy it because, oh my gosh, I have to live in this. You guys right now are watching, and this could be, you know, maybe one day we do have a $2 million house. And you're like, I watched their channel when they had 100 views per video, and you're an OG, and I'll probably invite you over to our house since you supported us. But, okay, so this is about Bubs because it is his birthday. He's 25. And this is a time capsule moment. When do you think we'll actually move again?
In reality, I didn't think we would move for another like 8 years, but I really think.
That's what I was thinking. What are you thinking?
I really think we could see ourselves moving in like 4 years. After getting this chain, I feel like anything's possible. Like I feel like we're moving tomorrow. But
it's the confidence.
No, but seriously, after seeing that house, it has inspired me because I do want to live in something like that. Like, that was pretty nice.
And I mean, I'm 23, he's 25, and we've been hustling.
Yes. So.
And I know there's other people who are way ahead of us, but the thing is, Oprah didn't start a TV show till she was like 30.
Yeah, and
I don't know the actual stats, but.
And Colonel from KFC, dude, he didn't start his secret recipe and become famous until he was like 80 something. Like. That's inspiration right there. All right, guys, to finish off the night, we ordered Italian penne pasta from our favorite restaurant down the street. We always order from them. And then we got some calamar and then a side salad. And we're going to go ahead and eat this and watch some YouTube. So we're going to end it here. We're going to relax for the rest of the night. And, yeah.
Did you have a good birthday?
Very good birthday. Thank you, my love. It was lots of fun.
You're welcome. But, guys, get ready for the Branson one. It's going to be so much better next week.
Yeah, we have that too.
I mean, today was awesome. Today was like so fun. I had so much fun. I hope he had a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
But next week is like his real birthday celebration. It's gonna be bougie. Can you?
It's gonna be bougie and fun.
You're a bounty pet or what?
Yeah, he's just laying down and he ain't doing nothing.
Look at him. He's so cute.
Silly boy.
Aww.
All right, well, we'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See ya.